Hey there. I know you're hurting right now, and it feels like the world has come crashing down. But I want you to know, you're not alone. Healing from a broken heart is tough, but it's also a journey of rediscovery and growth. Let's talk about 10 steps to heal that broken heart. First, acknowledge your pain. It's okay to feel sadness, anger, confusion, or even numbness. Suppressing these emotions can actually prolong the healing process. Grief is a natural response to loss, and it's perfectly fine to mourn the relationship. Next, give yourself time. Healing isn't linear. Some days will be harder than others, and that's completely normal. Don't rush the process or pressure yourself to get over it quickly. Lean on your support system. Reach out to friends, family, or even a therapist. Sharing your feelings can make you feel less alone and help you gain perspective. Practice self-compassion. Be kind to yourself. Avoid self-blame or dwelling on the what-ifs. Remember, you are worthy of love, and this experience does not define your value. Create space for healing. Sometimes removing reminders of the person can help. Focus on building a new routine that prioritizes your well-being. Rediscover yourself. Use this time to reconnect with your own interests, passions, and goals. Explore new hobbies or activities that bring you joy and a sense of purpose. Reflect on the relationship. When you're ready, think about what you learned and how it has shaped you. Understand that not all relationships are meant to last, and that's okay. Embrace the present moment. Practice mindfulness or meditation to stay grounded in the now. Focus on small, positive moments in your daily life. Consider professional help. If the pain feels overwhelming or persists for a long time, a therapist can help you process your emotions and develop healthy coping strategies. Finally, believe in new beginnings. While it may not feel like it now, time will soften the pain. Trust that you will love again, and that this experience is part of your growth. Remember, healing isn't about forgetting, but finding peace with what happened. Heartbreak is a universal experience, and though it feels isolating, you're not alone. The pain you feel now will eventually transform into wisdom and strength. You are enough, and your capacity to love and be loved remains intact, even if this chapter has ended.